where can you get your clients? You need to open a Telegram account. Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which you will learn how to sell Deriv bots and how also you can trade using them. Now, in this tutorial, I will be also sharing top 10 bots that I'll handpick from all these bots that I'll provide for free. So all these bots that I provide for free in the description below, those who are interested in selling them will just need to edit the name and then you can sell wherever you want to sell. Now, I also have a video that shows you how you can edit the name and I'll link it in the description. So watch that video if you want to learn how you can change the name of these bots. Now, let's say that you download a bot here. So if I want to download a bot here, for example, I want to download this 123. I'll show it you. It is here. I just click on it and then it will open with a download here. I can just download and proceed to show you where it will be stored. So I proceed to download it anyway, and then it will appear in my storage. Now it is downloaded and I will proceed to show you where it is. I will need to access my file manager, and on my phone this is my files. So I just open it, proceed to internal storage, and then proceed to downloads here, and then you can see your bots there. And then what you can do, you can create a new folder. So I can just open on these 3 dots and then I can create a folder and call it Deriv bots. So I can just call it Deriv bots and I have it there. So what I'll be doing is I'll be moving those bots from one side to another, but for my case here, those files are hid, so I'll not be showing you how you can do it, but you can just ask in the comment section. I'll direct you to do it there. So after saving those bots there, the reason why I save them in a certain folder so that I'll be able to access them, or if by any case I just decide to delete them from Chrome, they'll not be deleted. Or if I decide to uninstall Chrome, I do not have issues like those. So let's say that I have that bot, I have changed the name. What I also need to do is I need to open the bot on Deriv and see whether it is a working bot. It is not just a code that is not working. And then I just upload using a local storage here, and then I can have the bot there, or I can just see the recent history here, the bot that I opened, and then I just use these dots to open those bots. So you just tap on one dot, and then for my case I'll be opening this, and then I open. You just tap on the open and you can see the bot here. So what you need to do is check the stake. Most of the time you need to be setting the stake to the minimum, which is 0.35. So make sure that you set that stake to 0.35 so that those buying the bot do not end up making a lot of a loss and they complain on how they lost because of your bot. And then also you need to change this market to volatility 10 index, this one, because some markets are such aggressive and they move in a way that is not good. And if you have ticks here, make sure that you edit them to 2. Most of the time when you set it to 1, you'll end up losing money. So you don't need your customers to lose money. You want them to buy from you and buy again. So make sure that you give them a bot that will not make those losses. And different bots have different blocks here. So you'll see bots that have a lot of blocks than others. So you can just categorize them as high quality bots when you are selling them to your clients. And also Let me try to open another bot so that we can see this one. Let me see this one. You can see this one has more blocks here. You have the initial, you have the target profit, you have the stop loss. You can just proceed to edit this one. You just long press this one and then you can expand block that way. So this way you'll be able to edit the name. So you can still edit the name. I'll call it, I just leave it that way, so it will be printing that text. Now I just run it to see whether everything is okay that way. Now I have the bot and I can just run it. Or the best, you can see we don't have a name, but when we go here, let me see. So you can see we have a name here. So this you can just change it using AI. That is the best way you can do these things. Just change it using AI and then you'll be good to go. So that is how you just test these bots, and then you can just trade using them to see how they do. And then where can you get your clients? You need to open a Telegram account and then you can create a channel and a group. So you have a channel and a group. So here, for example, you have this that I have created to show you. So what you do here is you just look for random videos of people making profit online, and then you add them on your channel and you explain how they'll be able to make profit using your bot there. And then after doing that, share that channel to Facebook, Twitter, everywhere, even WhatsApp. They'll come, and then just be a good negotiator. Try to negotiate the best as you can. Make sure you convince them to buy because it is the best bot. Don't just say that you make losses or whatever. Just try to show them that it is the best and you'll make a sale. And if you want to still trade and make money, you can still do it. And if you don't have an account, create using the link in the description. If also you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.